Hey everyone! Our first math problem today is from my in-grade Math 2 textbook. The section is called Parts of Similar Triangles. Here's the figure of our problem. A, B, C, and D are all specific points on this triangle. Certain lengths of the triangle are 15, 27, and 28. 15 is a side length of BD. 27 is a side length of BC, and 28 is a side length of DC. As you can see, line BA is the angle bisector of angle CBD because angle DBA is congruent to angle ABC, as shown by the red hash mark. Remember, congruent means two angles to have the same measurements. Our task is to find the length of lowercase b and the length of AC. We're going to find b by the triangular angle bisector theorem. I'll be referring to this theorem as TBAT. An angle bisector in a triangle separates the opposite side into two segments that are proportional to the length of the other two sides, as shown in the example below. Now, we're going to substitute values from the figure into the equation. So, we're going to divide the corresponding angles by each other. C equals BD over BC. So, as you remember, BA equals 28 minus b, lowercase b, which is the unknown variable, divided by AC divided by b, equals 15, which is the side length of BD, by 21, the side length of BC. So if you cross multiply 28b by 28 minus b multiplied, this is 7, multiplied by 27 equals 15b, because 15 times b is 15b. So now let's multiply 28 times 27. So 28 times 27 is 756. And also if you multiply 27 times b minus b is minus 27b. So that's 756 minus 27b equals 15b. But to isolate 756, we have to add 27b on both sides. So if we subtract 27b and add 27b, that would make it would be eliminated. But if we add 15 plus 27, it would be 42b. So 756 equals 42b. But our plan is to find the variable of b. So in that case, we'll have to divide 42 on both sides. Divided by 42. So to eliminate 42 because it's canceled out. But now we have to find what 756 divided by 42 is. So 756 divided by 42. Sorry about that. 756 divided by 42 is equal to 18. So, in that case, B is equal to 18. Now, let's work on another problem. And I'm going to turn the page so, I'm going to show you the problem we'll have to work on today. But before that, I'd like to review with you the definition of dilation and scale factor. A dilation is a transformation that enlarges or reduces the original figure proportionally, while a scale factor is the factor by which a figure has changed in size. Now, I'll show you the example in the textbook. Candace created a design to be made into a temporary tattoo for homecoming gain as shown. Is a temporary tattoo a dilation of the original design? If so, what is a scale factor? Explain. So, in easier terms, it's asking if the temporary tattoo design is enlarged or reduced proportionally from the original design. To find out if the temporary tattoos are proportional, let's divide the corresponding sides by each other. I'll show you the corresponding sides. So 2.5 inches corresponds to 1.2 inches, and 3 inches corresponds to 1.25 inches. So let's divide the corresponding sides by each other. 2.5. And now let's divide the sides by each other. So 2.5 divided by 1.2 is equal to 2.08, 2.083, and I put a hat on it because it's a repeating decimal. Now let's try to find the scale factor for the other corresponding sides. So 3 divided by 1.25 is equal to 2.4. As you can see, the numbers aren't equal to each other. So, because the scale factors aren't proportional, then the scale factors aren't the same. Now I'm going to turn the page and show you another example for today. So this is a word problem. So we're asked to use the map of Oklahoma shown and a metric ruler to find the actual distance between each pair of cities, and we're asked to measure to the nearest centimeter. For today, we're going to cover number 7. We're going to find the distance between Enid and Tulsa. Enid's right here, and Tulsa's right there. And and before we start, I'd like to tell you that the scale factor should be 1/2 centimeters on this page should be equal to 100 kilometers in real life. So before that, I would like to show you the measurement of it with a metric ruler. So with the metric ruler, I have to measure it with centimeters, not inches, because we're doing metric today. So Enid's right here, Tulsa's right here, the start right here, and I see it's approximately 2.5 centimeters distance between two of the cities. And now to find the distance of x, we'll have to use dimensional analysis. So number of kilometers equals 2.5 centimeters, which is the distance we found on the page with the Oklahoma map, multiplied by 100 kilometers, the scale factor, one of the values on the scale factor, divided by 1/2 of a centimeter, another value of the scale factor shown. So we have to eliminate centimeters from each other. And now let's do the math. So 2.5 times 100 divided by 1/2 is 166 2/3 of a kilometer. So this is the distance between Enid and Tulsa in real life. Thank you for watching.